My name is Marcus Robert, and I'm a Park Maintenance Worker 1 at South Carlsbad State Beach. I've gained so many skills working with parks, from running chainsaws and trimming trees, to electrical, plumbing, and carpentry. One of the better parts of my job is when I come to work every day, I'm doing something new. I'm learning something new, I'm seeing something new. Not every day is the same. We've been charged with the great task of not only preserving and maintaining California State Park's coastline. My office is outside, and whether it's providing a clean campsite or a hot shower for a road-weary traveler, the work can be hard but rewarding. And it's not just maintenance. There's lifeguards and rangers, and I get to work with them all. It's like a big giant team. My name is Marcus Robert. I'm a Park Maintenance Worker 1 for California State Parks, and I live the park's life. So can you.